Things to carry in your school bag. Hey Pearl Beauties, imagine this. You're in the middle of class and you need a pen, but your bag is a black hole of messy chaos, or worse, you have a stain on your shirt, messy hair, and a surprise test. What do? Don't worry, bestie. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate list of must-haves every student girl needs in her school bag. From study essentials to beauty fixes and life-saving emergency items, this checklist will keep you organized, confident, and stress-free all day. Stay tuned till the end, because I'm revealing underrated must-haves that can literally save your day. Let's get started. The absolute school essentials, your everyday must-haves. These are the non-negotiables you need in your bag every single day. Textbooks and notebooks. Keep them in order so your bag doesn't turn into a disaster zone. Aesthetic planner or academic journal. Writing down assignments equals less stress later. Folders and binders. Say no to crumpled papers at the bottom of your bag. Pencil case. Super important. This brings us to the next section. The ultimate pencil case must-haves. Your pencil case should be small yet powerful. Just the essentials. Pens, black, blue, red. No more borrowing in class. Mechanical pencils and extra lead. Always ready to write. Highlighters, pastel and bright, because notes should be aesthetic and organized. Sticky notes and page tabs. Last-minute test prep lifesavers. Correction tape or whiteout. Fix mistakes like they never happened. Mini scissors and tape, because teachers always ask for them. Emergency pouch, the lifesaver kit. Because unexpected things always happen, keep these in a cute, discreet pouch. Pads, tampons, or pantyliners. Always be prepared. Pain reliever, ibuprofen, paracetamol, headaches, cramps. This is your savior. Band-aids and blister patches. New shoes equals painful blisters. Hand sanitizer and wet wipes. Stay clean and fresh all day. Stain remover wipes, because spills happen at the worst times. Quick fix and beauty must-haves. Stay fresh all day long with these mini beauty essentials. Lip balm or lip gloss. No more dry lips. Compact mirror and mini brush for quick touch-ups. Hair ties and bobby pins. Why do they always disappear? Perfume or body mist. A light, fresh scent equals instant confidence. Oil blotting sheets. No more oily skin. Study and productivity must-haves. Flashcards and sticky notes. Review on the go. Noise-canceling earbuds. Block out distractions while studying. Aesthetic notebook for extra notes. Bonus study space. Small whiteboard and marker. If you're a visual learner, this is a game changer. Blue light glasses. Protect your eyes from screen fatigue. Mini self-care kit. Glow and confidence boost. Mini hairbrush or comb for unexpected bad hair days. Hand cream and cuticle oil, because soft hands equals self-care. Lip and cheek tint, a quick glow up on the go. Hydration and snack essentials. Aesthetic water bottle. Hydration equals glowing skin and energy. Healthy snacks. Granola bars, nuts, dark chocolate. No more hangry moments. Chewing gum or mints. Fresh breath equals confidence. Tech and electronics essentials. Power bank and charger. No more dead phones during emergencies. USB drive or external storage. Back up your schoolwork. Headphones or earbuds for study sessions or relaxing breaks. Organization hacks for a tidy bag. Bag dividers or pouches. Everything has its place. Mini trash bag or Ziploc. Keep your bag clean. Label everything. No more lost items. Motivation and mindset boosters. A small notebook for affirmations. Stay motivated every day. A cute keychain or lucky charm. Something personal that makes you happy. A playlist of favorite songs. Good vibes only. Extra school accessories. Mini umbrella or raincoat, because weather is unpredictable. Spare face mask. Always a good idea. Small sewing kit for unexpected wardrobe malfunctions. Stress relief must-haves. Mini journal. Jot down thoughts or feelings. Fidget toy or stress ball helps with focus and relaxation. Bonus game-changing items. Notebook with inspirational quotes. Stay positive and motivated. aesthetic laptop or tablet case. Protect your tech in style. That's it, Pearl Beauties. Now you have the ultimate checklist for your school bag. Which of these do you already carry? Comment below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Stay confident, prepared, and beautiful.